Hi everybody, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Today I have an unboxing of the November My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition Kit. This month we got a beautiful Christmas collection from Prima Marketing. It's called the Candy Cane Lane Collection and it's designed by Frank Garcia. First, I'm going to show you all the papers, and then I'll show you all of the other embellishments that we got this month. So I'm going to start out with this gorgeous paper. I think this is my favorite paper. I love the way this collection has some of the traditional Christmas colors like red and green, but it also has some other colors like pink and light blue mixed in. This paper I think would be great as a background paper. It has these adorable images of this little girl and Santa Claus. It also has some flowers on it. I just love this, and there's plenty of room here for a photo and some embellishments. On the other side, this is another paper that would be great as a background paper. It has all these dots and then some tickets and a paper clip in the corner. Here is a cut-apart sheet. There's so much that can be done with cut-apart sheets. And again, I love all of these images, these little children and the Santa Claus images, the reindeer. On the other side are these gorgeous images of pink and red poinsettias, and then also there are some ornaments mixed in. I think there's a lot that can be done with that side as well. Here are some Christmas stockings with bows on them. And then on the other side is this red paper with the white snowflakes. And then I love the way on a lot of the papers in this collection, there are stripes on the sides. This paper I think would be great to use as a background, or it could also be used as a cut-apart sheet. I love this image of Santa looking very jolly over here. And on the other side, I love this as well. Again, you have the stripes on the edges, but you have these big, bold stripes going diagonally across the page with some pink splatters. Love that as well. Here's yet another paper that I think would be great as a background paper. I love this cluster over here with the peppermints, the poinsettias, the reindeer, the presents. Super pretty. And then also an image of Santa over here in this corner. And on the other side, we have these really cute reindeer and some pine trees. Here is Santa Claus, lots of images of Santa Claus with little sentiments underneath each of the Santas. On the other side, we have Santa in his sleigh with a reindeer and also a truck with lots of Christmas trees behind it. And we got two of these sheets. Again, this could be a cut-apart sheet. There's lots of great images to include on your scrapbooking pages. And then on the other side are these bows and lots of holly leaves and candy canes. So two of those. So those are the papers that we get in this kit. We also get a pack of chipboard. And I'll move it a little bit closer so you could see all the images. This is two-sided. There are 33 chipboard pieces, and you could see a lot of the same images that are in the papers, but in a different scale. And I just love these poinsettias, these images of Santa, little reindeer, lots of things to use on your papers. And I'm sure I will be using these peppermints very quickly. And then on the other side, we have, again, the same images that we've seen on the papers, but this time they're a little bit smaller. We have some reindeer and Christmas trees, the images of the children, another peppermint, and some sentiments as well. So lots to use there. We also get this stencil, which I I love the large snowflakes, and I think that this is a really pretty snowflake. I'm really looking forward to using this on my pages this month. Another thing that we got this month is some pocket cards, and I love getting pocket cards. I find that I use them for titles, for fussy cutting, for die cutting. There's just so many uses for these cards, so let me show them all to you. First, we have Santa with 2 reindeer and a sentiment underneath. Here's a nice sentiment or title, ho, ho, ho. Here is Santa Claus and a sentiment underneath him. Christmas chimes, this would make a great title. Christmas wishes with this cute little reindeer. Looks like reindeer's taking a little nap there. The socks. There's a reindeer with Merry Christmas. Here's that image of the little boy, I believe, holding the tree. It says, carrying joy to you. There's a Merry Christmas sentiment. I would love to fussy cut this out. I love this little girl, and I love the sparkles on her dress. Here's that red paper with the snowflakes. That very happy Santa and the very tired reindeer. Here's more of those cute reindeer. Santa and a Christmas list. I feel like I always like to record what my children ask for Christmas, even if they are grown-ups at this point. And there's Santa with a sentiment and some poinsettias and peppermints around him. So lots of things that can be used on your scrapbooking layouts. We also get this ephemera pack, and I'm going to take everything out of the pack and show it to you. There are 64 pieces. Here is a picture of everything that we get, but I think it would be best for me to take all the pieces out and show them to you, and I'm going to open the package off camera so you don't have to hear the crinkling. These are all of the ephemera pieces that we get. There are 2 of each image. There are some beautiful poinsettias. There are some great titles. There are some images of Santa. There's that happy Santa, and there's that very traditional looking Santa. There are ornaments. There's lots of peppermints. I know I'll use all of those up. There are bows and candy canes, lots of beautiful things. I love this little girl. I was happy to get 2 of the image of this little girl with the presents. There's that sleepy reindeer. So many things that can be used to embellish your pages. And my very favorite part of the kit, which is the flowers. I absolutely love these flowers, and these Christmas flowers are just absolutely stunning. I mean, this pack of flowers is just incredible. There are these beautiful bead centers, and then the edges of the petals have this beautiful gold sparkle on them. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope you could see that. We also have these very petite flowers, and I always find these small flowers to be very, very useful when it comes to making clusters and embellishing pages, and also adding to the clusters that I make with the larger flowers. I just really love these. And again, I'm going to show you how beautiful the centers are on these. There are these really, really tiny little gold, I don't know if they're micro beads. In any case, they're absolutely gorgeous. And then the flowers themselves are so pretty. I love the color scheme. And then finally, we have these flowers. There are some white flowers mixed in. Again, the blue, the pink, the red, just absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. So that's everything that we got in this month's kit. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. At the very end of the video, you'll see the layouts that I made using this gorgeous kit. I hope you'll stay tuned for that. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and I will see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.